Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Fiacre Ntwari sustained an injury during Rwanda's valiant but ultimately fruitless bid to qualify for the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations. The West staged a dramatic 2-1 comeback victory against Nigeria in Uyo on Monday, yet the triumph was not enough to secure their ticket to the continental showpiece. Ntwari, starting between the posts for Rwanda, was forced off in the 69th minute after picking up an injury, with the Super Eagles leading 1-0 at the time. Nigeria's Samuel Chukwueze had opened the scoring in the 59th minute, but Ndwari's exit seemed to galvanize the visitors. Rwanda stunned the home crowd with a remarkable turnaround. Angie Mutsinzi equalized in the 72nd minute, and Innocent Njuti fired at the decisive second goal just 3 minutes later to silence the Super Eagles. Despite the heroics, Rwanda fell short of qualification, their hopes dashed by earlier results. A shocking 1-0 home defeat to Libya just days prior, coupled with a poor head-to-head record against Benin, proved costly. Both Rwanda and Benin finished on 8 points in Group D, but Benin advanced thanks to their superior results in their two encounters, a 3-0 win in Cotonou and a 2-1 defeat in Kigali. The extent of Ntwari's injury remains unclear, but the 23-year-old has some recovery time ahead of Kaizer Chiefs' next match on 27 November against Richards Bay. His availability will be closely monitored as Amakosi look to maintain momentum in their domestic campaign. For Rwanda, the result in Uyo was bittersweet, a spirited fight back showcasing their resilience, yet another to keep their AFCON dream alive. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.